Hello everyone, my name is Francesco and welcome to the Notion Made Simple course. Now, obviously you've arrived here with a little bit of an interest about Notion. It's one of the fastest moving productivity applications in the world right now, and it's a pretty exciting application. I use it myself to organize different projects, create a little wiki for myself so that I remember small things across my day, and I've only recently started using it as a habit tracker. For those who don't know what Notion is, Notion's a pretty expansive application. It's one of the first applications where you can build your own experience. So everyone's Notion looks totally different from other people. It's a little bit like Lego. You build these different blocks and you create your experience to however it suits you. So this is an 8-module course. It goes through all of the various elements that you need to know about Notion, teaching you how to task manage, project manage, note take, and even take advantage of some of the database features and go a lot deeper. This is a course that will continue to expand, and it is broken down into 3 different levels. We've got beginner level, intermediate, and advanced. So each module, if you can start from the beginning, you can progress onto the more advanced Notion skills. We have also added 25 extra bonus lessons and will continue to add them as Notion grows its platform and experience. So this application, Notion, is probably the biggest application of the decade and has made one of the biggest moves for productivity software in recent years. So we'll be teaching you this application in this course, and I'm extremely excited to be teaching you. I will be your instructor, and throughout this, if you have any questions, you can email me directly or you can start a discussion in our course discussions tab. But you can check out the price and even test drive the first module for free, all in the details below. Okay guys, thank you very much. I look forward to you joining us here at Notion Made Simple.